Hello, it's Ellie and her chickens. They've been home a week and a day, and as you can see, they're starting to resemble chickens. And they're happier, they're healthy. As you can see, they have a much bigger box. While it's not clear like the other one, they do have good ventilation. And I do still have their heat lamp, but I just pushed it away so you can see what they look like. And that's about it. So, short update, but the girls are doing well, as you can see. And we'll check back in with them later. Say bye-byes. Bye-byes.